Hey there, future coders, have you ever wondered how websites magically appear on your screen or how video games come to life with amazing graphics and challenging levels? It all starts with coding. Coding is like a secret language that tells computers what to do. Just like we use words to communicate with each other, programmers use coding languages to talk to computers. It's like giving them a set of instructions to follow. And guess what? These instructions power everything from the apps on your phone to the rockets launching into space. Learning to code opens up a world of possibilities. You can create your own websites, design fun games, and even build apps that solve real-world problems. It's like having superpowers in the digital age. So are you ready to embark on an exciting coding adventure? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of programming together.
Before we start writing code, let's learn some basic coding lingo. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of it as learning a new language, but instead of talking to people, we're talking to computers. First up, we have variables. Imagine a variable as a container that holds information. It could be a number, a word, or even a whole sentence. We use variables to store and manipulate data in our programs. Next, we have loops. Loops are like instructions that repeat multiple times. It's like telling the computer, hey, do this 10 times or keep doing this until I say stop. Loops are super helpful for automating repetitive tasks. Finally, we have functions. Functions are like mini programs within our main program. They perform specific tasks like calculating a sum or displaying a message on the screen. Functions help us organize our code and make it more reusable. Now that you know some basic coding terms, let's move on to building our first website.
Creating a website might seem daunting at first, but it's actually like building with digital Lego bricks. We'll use three main tools: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is like the skeleton of our website. It defines the structure and content, like headings, paragraphs, and images. Think of it as the foundation of our digital house. CSS is like the interior decorator. It adds style and flair to our website, controlling colors, fonts, and layout. It makes our website visually appealing and engaging. JavaScript is like the brain of our website. It adds interactivity and dynamic elements. It allows users to interact with our website, like clicking buttons or submitting forms. To build our website, we'll write code in these languages using a text editor. Don't worry, there are plenty of free and easy-to-use text editors available online. Once we've written our code, we can save it as an HTML file and open it in a web browser to see our website come to life.
Section 4. Crafting your own game world. Have you ever dreamed of creating your own video game? With game engines like Unity and Godot, it's easier than you think. Game engines provide all the tools and resources you need to bring your game ideas to life. Think of a game engine as a virtual playground where you can create characters, design levels, and add game logic. It's like having a digital toolbox filled with everything you need to build your dream game world. Using a visual editor, you can drag and drop objects, create animations, and script game events. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Most game engines have user-friendly interfaces and tutorials to guide you through the process. From simple two-dimensional platformers to immersive three-dimensional adventures, the possibilities are endless. You can let your imagination run wild and create a game that's uniquely yours.
Section 5. Apps at your fingertips. Mobile apps have become an integral part of our lives. From social media to productivity tools, there's an app for almost everything. But have you ever wondered how these apps are made? To build mobile apps, we can use platforms like Android Studio for Android devices and Xcode for iOS devices. These platforms provide all the necessary tools and frameworks to develop, test, and deploy our apps. Similar to game development, building apps involves designing user interfaces, writing code to handle user interactions, and connecting to data sources. However, mobile app development requires a deeper understanding of platform-specific guidelines and best practices. While it might seem challenging at first, there are countless resources available online, including tutorials, documentation, and online communities. With dedication and practice, you can turn your app ideas into reality.
Section 6. Python, a Swiss Army knife for coding. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's versatile, easy to learn, and widely used in various fields, from web development to data science and automation. Python's simple syntax and readability make it an excellent language for beginners. It's like writing instructions in plain English, making it easier to understand and debug your code. In data science, Python is used for analyzing large datasets, creating visualizations, and building machine learning models. Its extensive libraries and frameworks provide powerful tools for data manipulation and analysis. In automation, Python can be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails, scraping websites, or controlling hardware. Its ability to interact with other software and systems makes it a valuable tool for streamlining workflows.
Section 7. Keep on coding. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the exciting world of coding. Remember, learning to code is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to discover and explore. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you code, the better you'll become. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your successes along the way. There are countless online resources, coding bootcamps, and communities available to support you on your coding journey. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, ask questions, and never stop learning. So, keep that curiosity alive, unleash your creativity, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one creating the next big thing in the digital world.